Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be making some steamed fish and okra with some veggies and crackers. So here I am. I'm just going to show you how I clean my fish up a bit. Normally I would do this off camera, but today I just feel like showing you how I get my fish and my proteins or whatever I'm cooking ready before coming on camera. So here I have my snapper. They came pre-scaled, but you want to make sure that you go ahead and do the finishing touches. So here I am using my kitchen scissors to cut off the gills and the tails and the fins and all that the things that are on there. It's scaled, but it's not scale to my liking, and I'm just going to use my knife to just run it through and remove any excess scale that was there. And yeah, that's basically it. Nothing too fancy, nothing too hard. And yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and wash them up with the lime and lemon juice. Of course, if you have vinegar, white distilled vinegar, you could go ahead and use that, but I had some lemon and lime, so I decided to use that. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how I clean my fish, and I'm going to show you what I do next. So for this, I have my fish flavor mix. I have some okra, some pumpkin, some corn, some carrots, scallion, potato, scotch bonnet pepper. I have some thyme, some pimento seeds, garlic, and onion. Feel free to add any other veggies that you like to it. And here I have my two fishes that I just cleaned up. And for this, I'll be using seasoned salt and black pepper. Now, I do not want to add too much flavor to the fish because, yeah, we don't want to over season because, you know, fish tend to soak up a lot of flavors and we don't want to overpour it with a lot of seasoning. So I'm just going to go ahead and season with the seasoned salt and black pepper and allow this to sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes because, hey, fish does not take a long time to marinate. And, you know, we're going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and do its thing. Now in a heated pot, I'm going to go in with some coconut oil. Feel free to use butter or any other oil of choice that you like. But I like the coconut oil, so I'm just going to give this a nice little whirl and allow it to melt. Then I'm going to go in with my garlic, my onion, my pimento seed and thyme, and I'm going to stir this around a bit to release all that flavor in the oil. And you know, and at this point, this is smelling good because, hey, garlic, thyme, and onion, yeah, it's a match made in heaven. So to this, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my veggies. Give it a good mix. Then I'm going to sift the fish soup mix and some pumpkin mix to give it a little bit color. And yeah, of course, you could go in with everything. Yeah, some of it did went in, but I didn't want to have that much noodles in it. But hey, if a few get in, fine. So here I am sifting in my pumpkin and fish soup mix, and I'm going to give this a good mix to combine it. Then I'm going to add some water and allow the veggies to pre-cook before adding the fish because the veggies take a little bit more time to cook than the fish, and we don't want to overcook the fish. So we're going to cook the veggies until they are partially cooked or halfway cooked. And if you like your fish spicy like I do, you want to do what I do here and burst the pepper, or you could cut it in half, whatever makes you happy. And if you don't like the spice, just cook it in and you don't have to burst it. So I'm going to allow this to boil and come up to temperature. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. Now it's time for me to add my fish. So I'm just going to make some room and then add the fish to it, and then basically add my veggies on top. At this point, once you put the fish in, you don't want to be turning and flipping it. You want to make sure that you cover it and then cover it with your pot cover and allow it to steam and cook all the way through. So you want to make sure that your pot cover seals your pot tight. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and use my spoon to just you know, situate these veggies in the pot and yeah, allow it to steam for about 5 to 8 minutes. After that time has passed, this is what my steamed fish is looking like. It is smelling amazing and it tasted amazing too. Now for the star of the show, some water crackers. You can't have steamed fish without water crackers. I don't mean no any kind of water crackers. This is the water crackers you want to have. So you want to just add your desired amount that you like to your fish. I don't want to overpour it because I have a lot of veggies in here, and I'm just going to use my spoon to just spoon it on and yeah, cover it and allow this to sit for another 2 to 3 minutes until the crackers soften up. Now a full written measurement will be down below, so you could go ahead and check this out. And if you like this recipe, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer you. Now this was what it is looking like. I served mine up on a plate and this was heaven. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye bye.